In the beautiful and fertile Western Chinese, rise of a new city, Meishan City, which is in the southern end of the Chengdu Plain, and adjacent to the Leshan Giant Buddha and the Mount Ermei. Meishan is the literary giant Su Dongpo's hometown, and is also Chinese poetry and literature town. It transmits to traditional culture generation by generation, and at the same time, it integrates with a modern technological innovation, which shows us a pluralistic brand new appearance. By the virtue of Dongpo hometown culture, a modern, professional woodworking machinery manufacturing enterprise is emerging in the process of economic reform. This is the us-Qingcheng Machinery Company Limited. Lies north of Chengdu about 100 kilometers. Our company enjoys the advantageous geographical position and convenient transportation by having 3 expressways. That is Chengle Express, Chengmianle Gaotie, and Suizi Mei Express. At the same time, our company has been integrated into the half-an-hour economic circle of Chengdu. The rise of Qingcheng machinery is bearing the founding of a new brand new and writing a new page in woodworking machinery manufacturing industry. Qingcheng Machinery regards the development and quality as its duty, and is geared to build a thriving and prosperous working machinery manufacturing enterprise. Built in 1970, for more than 40 years, Qingcheng Machinery has now developed to a company which covers an area of about 400 acres, has built 150,000 square meters of modern headquarters space and woodworking machine research and development base in Chengdu Airport. It focuses on the development strategy of modern processing, variety of sale, global business, to form a systematic production and assembly line of the product parts, to effect the management of assembly by working procedure orderly, classified in a spacious circumstance, and undergo rigorous checks about performance, quality, and accuracy before each woodworking product is dispatched. Our company is mainly engaged in 5 series of woodworking: 4-side modular, double-side planer, Muti-blade rib saw, single rib saw, double end Tenoner, especially the 4-side modular single rib saw series are the first choice for our customers with its excellent performance, harsh precision, and high stability. Our company has owned over 40 national patents. And is the first to pass through the ISO 9001 International Quality System certification in the whole woodworking industry, and has won the China Forestry Machinery Association member units. Sichuan Province famous brand products. High-tech enterprises. Quality credit AAA enterprise. Our product has passed through the EU CE safety certification. In 2012, Provincial Enterprise Technology Center, Sichuan Province Woodworking Machine Tool Engineering Technology Center settled in Qingcheng Machinery. With the advanced management and strong R&D capabilities, we further eliminate the technical barriers. Our products are more safe and more environmental friendly. In front of honor, Qingcheng people are free from arrogance. Instead, we enhance the breadth and depth in the field of business continuously. In 1993, the first generation of Qingcheng machinery products, bandsaw, occupied the market in Western China, 2000 to 2008. The second generation products, ripsaw, occupied the Chinese market. Planer series products has occupied the Chinese market at rapid speed since 2008. In 2013, the company introduced a type of automatic sharpening CNC high-speed four-side modular series products. In this era of prosperous economy and culture, Qingcheng Machinery is advancing with Qingcheng people's unremitting efforts. 40 years passed by. Qingcheng Machinery has always been keeping pace with the times and has withstood the severe tests of plant economy and market economy. In 2008, under the impact of the world financial crisis, Qingcheng people advanced bravely with ideals and full of confidence. Our products are sold around the world and exported on a large scale to over 50 countries and regions. The products are favorable with our customers, and we establish a long-term strategic cooperative partnership. Qingcheng Machinery creates excellent products of woodworking machinery by using the powerful technical research and development capabilities, advanced production equipment, and precision processing technology. Qingcheng Machinery, as a most powerful professional manufacturer of solid wood processing machinery, absorb international advanced woodworking machinery R&D and production technology. At the same time, survey the world and breakthrough innovation. Qingcheng introductions Okuma 5-surface gantry machine center, FMS flexible machining production line, Makino horizontal machining center, Moriseki 9-axis linkage, lathe mill cutting center, LG Mazak vertical machining center, Mitsubishi laser cutting machine, Okamoto CNC grinding center, and Japan's Mitotoyo brand 3-coordinate measurement machine, and so on. The world advanced modern processing equipment and testing instruments. All the equipment are used for precision machining and testing machine body, frame, working table, cabinet, main shaft, sleeve, and other woodworking machine series product parts, which guarantee the parts machining accuracy and the interchangeability. Self-confident, sincere, charm, raise your hand is cast sufficient between scattering the Qingcheng machinery all kinds elegant demeanor. Qingcheng commitment to implement the detective product recall system for the dealers and vast numbers of users in the woodworking machine industry. Allow the users who use Qingcheng brand machine achieve a real buy peace of mind was at ease with. Qingcheng people always uphold the integrity management, the pursuit of excellence of the enterprise purpose, the spirit of professional, dedicated, refined on spirit, to play the unique competitive advantage, continuously improve quality and service. Qingcheng Machinery use unlimited passion to creating one miracle, which brought the huge economic performance for users, and Qingcheng also earned high admiration. Looking towards the future, the opportunity and the challenge coexists. Qingcheng Machinery tends to stick to the keynotes. The user satisfaction is our work standards. Qingcheng aims at becoming the leading brand in China woodworking machinery designing and manufacturing industry. Qingcheng people, the old gives place to the new ad infinitum.